I did it. This is my 30th video in 30 days. I made my goal, 30 videos in 30 days. Not only did I make that goal, but I've made so many other goals along the way. I cannot wait to tell you about them all. I even went back, watched the video, and put on the same clothes and I'm in the same spot because I wanted to have this like full circle moment, you know? I don't know if anybody else thinks that's important, but I do. Sometimes you gotta come full circle. And I'm closing the loop. I set myself a goal, 30 videos, 30 days, set the goal. So before I get into everything that I've accomplished and all the things that I've learned, just do me a favor. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It means the world to me. It is so important for a small YouTuber to get people to like, comment, and subscribe. And then if you know somebody else who would like this video or could use the knowledge in this video or any of my other videos, please share with them. Sharing is caring. Some of the other things that I've accomplished. So when I started out, I said, okay, what do I really want? What do I want my goals to be? So I knew I was going to do 30 videos in 30 days. I set that as a goal. What other goals? What other things do I need to achieve? Well, I need subscribers. I need likes. I need comments. Those three things. I mean, that's what I say every video: like, comment, and subscribe. So I wanted to get a like, you know, but I got my first like on like my second or third video. That was huge. That was huge. I got my first subscriber right after that. That was amazing. Got my first subscriber. 3 videos in, 4 videos in, first subscriber. Incredible. Then I got a comment. Hey, someone's actually watching this and they're commenting. Fantastic. I was overjoyed. So now I've got a bunch of likes, a bunch of comments, a bunch of subscribers. Just fantastic. I need more. I need a lot more. But you know what? 30 videos knocked out and the number's only going to keep growing. I'm not stopping at 30 videos. It was, 30 videos in 30 days was a goal. I proved that it was completely achievable. And I learned a lot of things along the way that are going to help me do that. And the biggest thing that I learned about putting videos out in quantity is to batch. Great way to do it. It means you're not filming every day, means you're not editing every day. But at the end of the day, it saves a lot of time and a lot of frustration. And you don't have to I don't have to set up my camera every day and get the sound ready and make sure the light works and find the location and get everything all set up. I do that all in one day. The one thing I'll tell you about batching though, when you're gonna film numerous videos, at least have a different shirt to wear so it doesn't look like you're just doing the same thing. It always bothers me when I watch a video and somebody posts once a week and you go and you look at their page and the last 5 videos, it's all the guy wearing the same exact clothes in the same exact location. Varied up a little bit, keep people interested. So batching is great because I come up with 5 or 6 titles, maybe try to get to like 8 or 9 titles, because titles come in a flash. Like, oh, this is a great idea. I'm going to talk about SEO. Oh, this is great. I'm going to talk about these 3 things. Oh, this is great. I'm going to talk about how to do a thumbnail. So you come up with all these ideas. And then when you actually sit down to script them, you realize, well, this idea can go with this idea, so I'll merge those 2 into one. And then this one isn't really a fully formed idea yet. So I have titles, but these ideas, some of these aren't going to work. Some of them are going to get melded together. Sometimes 2 or 3 ideas turn into one idea because, well, this is a minute of video. This is 2 minutes of video. This way I can put them together and have a solid length video, 5 minutes or so. So then after I come up with the ideas and the titles and kind of storyboard the thumbnails, then I'm going to script it. Could be the same day, could be the next day. But I'll come up with the rough script on what I'm going to do and what I'm going to say, how I'm going to say it, get that all set and ready. And then I'm going to film 3, 4, 5 videos on one day. And again, I bring a different hat, I bring a change of shirt, maybe I'll even go to a different location. But I get all my filming done in one day, get 3 videos, 5 videos done, one shot. I save them all, get them ready. And then the next day, all I have to do is edit them. So I go through the entire editing process on all the videos, get them as cleaned and polished as I can get them, make them as cool as I can, add my effects, my little graphics, stuff like that. Pretty cool, fun. Graphics. And after the editing's done, then I can go to YouTube and I can create the videos, get them all set up, and then I can schedule them to be published out a day at a time or 2 days at a time or whatever it is. So now I'm going to talk about some of the other stuff that I learned, because I mean, I could probably talk for hours about the stuff that I learned, but I'm going to be pretty quick with it. So I never even thought about scripting a YouTube video. I've written scripts for TVs and movies, but I've never thought about writing one for a YouTube video. So I learned that, a completely different process for me from doing an actual shooting script to doing something that you're going to be making for YouTube videos. I started out with just a brief outline, and I changed it around, and I found a couple other ways. And again, I found what worked for me. This isn't something I can give you ideas, and there will be videos on that, but at the end of the day, for stuff like that, you have to figure out what works for you and how you do it. Like, I storyboard my thumbnails. I'll share that with you one day, but it's something that would look like nonsense to most people, but it gives me my basic ideas and helps me hash things out in my brain. Not everybody's brain works the same way. Mine is like a carnival, 24/7. There's, lots of stuff going on in there. I keep hearing that sound. Bring in the Clowns is playing there like 24/7. Very disturbing. I found the importance of titles. I mean, yeah, I knew a title was important, but I didn't know exactly how important in thumbnails. I hadn't even given a thought to the thumbnail. In fact, the first video that I made, before I even really gave thought to what I was doing for the thumbnail, was literally just whatever YouTube had suggested. I just threw that up. And YouTube gives you that option of, basically just taking a snapshot from the video and posting it up there. It's horrible. It's the worst way to do it, but that's how I did the first video. And then I remembered, I've seen so many videos about thumbnails. I never even really knew what one was, so I never watched those videos. Now that I know what one is, I went back, I watched some videos, and I started making better thumbnails. My thumbnails are killer. I love my thumbnails. They're getting some good attention, and I'm very, very proud of them. So that's awesome. Editing. Holy shit, did I learn a lot about editing. I knew nothing about it, and I knew it was going to be my weak spot coming in. But again, this is YouTube, the second largest search engine in the world. All you have to do is pick one, and I literally just picked one at random. I picked CapCut. And then I started watching videos on how to use CapCut, how to edit, how to do different transitions, and how to add text, and how to add graphics, and how to do all these really cool things, some of which I've incorporated in my previous videos, some I'm still playing with, and I don't want to incorporate in until I actually get it figured out right. But that's the beautiful part about what I'm doing and the way that I'm doing it. Even if I'm not 100% sure, I can play with it and put it in a video. And even if it doesn't look great, so be it, man. These are my first videos. I have 30 days experience on YouTube. 30 days, that's a month. I mean, Christ. If you went to the doctors and he said, oh yeah, my nephew's gonna perform the surgery. He's been a doctor for 3 months. You gonna let this kid just cut in here? No, I want somebody who's been doing this for a little bit longer than a month. I don't care how much schooling you got behind you, practical experience is what matters. 30 days, I'm not an expert, I'm still learning, so I get to make these mistakes, and I'm allowing myself to make these mistakes because I'm a human and I'm on a journey, and this journey is about growing and learning and becoming better. And my goal has been from day one to get 1% better on every video. I don't think I've achieved that on every video, but I've achieved it overall. And I will say that after having made 30 videos, I should technically be 30% better. I think I'm way more than that, because I started at zero. I knew nothing. I could do nothing. I didn't even know how to upload a video to YouTube. I had watched the tutorials on YouTube on how to do it, but I'd never done it myself. So I came out here in this spot wearing this exact same outfit and stumbled through my first video, and then went back into my office and spent hours figuring out how to upload a video on a YouTube. And worrying, am I doing it right? And I would do some stuff, and then I'd go and I'd watch a couple more YouTube videos. And then I'd do a couple things, and I'd watch a couple more YouTube videos. And I did it. I uploaded my first video. It went up. It said it was published. I was able to watch it. Holy shit, I made a YouTube video. I did it. I caught my first fish. I was so excited about it that the next video was about catching my first fish and talking about, holy shit, I did it. I made a video, and I uploaded it to YouTube. Huge accomplishment, and I was so excited about it. And now I'm sitting here 30 days later, every bit as excited about it, and even more so because now I'm watching my channel grow. And it's amazing. It is absolutely amazing. And I love this journey that I'm on, and I'm so glad that you're with me. So please, like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me some of your milestones. Tell me some of the fish that you've caught. Tell me what was the most exciting thing for you when you started your channel. Or if you haven't started your channel yet, what's stopping you? And please, I got videos about that all day. So like, comment, subscribe. So glad that you guys are here for me. This is the 30th video in 30 days, and I am absolutely stoked. So I'm really glad that you guys are here. Please watch out for my other videos that are coming up, and go check out the ones that I've already made. Take it easy, guys. Have a great day. Domo arigato, Mr. Roboto. Domo, domo. Domo, domo.